How to know who unfollowed you on Instagram. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Instagram app. And then once we open our Instagram app, just click your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So click on that and then click the three horizontal line on the upper right corner of the screen as well. So once you're now here, just click Account Center. Once you click that, just scroll down until you see your information and permissions. So click that and then click Export Your Information. Once you click that, you will be redirected into this page. So what we are going to do here is to just click Create Export. And then after that, just choose your Instagram account, which is right here. And then in this part, click Export to Device. Once you are now here, what we are going to do is to click on Customize Information, which is right here. And then in this part, we're going to click on Clear All. So once you do that, scroll down, click Clear All again, and then just do the same for the rest. So once you click Clear All right there, what we are going to do next is to scroll up and then look for Connections. So we're going to click on Followers and Following. After that, just click on Save. And then just click on the date range, which is right here. And then just choose all time, which is right there. Now, after that, just click on Save. And then just scroll down once again. And then click Start Export. Now, keep in mind, you will have to wait a bit for you to be able to see the information since it is currently being prepared by Instagram. So they will let you know once it is now finished. So for the meantime, all you have to do is to just wait for it to finish. And then once it is finished, you should now be able to see the download button in this part. Now, let's say, for example, you can now download it. So all you have to do is to click download. And then once it has been downloaded, what we're going to do is to go into files. So you should now be able to see the files right here. So just look for the document that you have exported. And then you should be able to see your following and followers in this part. Now, once you have now confirmed that it is on your phone or device, just go here on your Google search, and then on your browser, just search for Compare List. After that, just click on Search, and then in this part, just click Compare to Lists. So just click on Compare to Lists right there. And then once you are now in this website, what we are going to do is to just click the Choose File on the List A, and then just look for the file of your followers. So what we're going to do right here is to look for the file. So you should be able to see it right here. Now, once you have clicked the followers document, what we're going to do next is to go back. And then in this part, just go here on the list B and then click choose file again. And then click photos and videos. And then just look for your following information. Once you found it, just click on that. And then you should now be able to see it right here on the list A and list B. And then after that, make sure that you click on Instagram followers. And then once you do that, what we are going to do now is to click compare lists. So once you click compare lists, you should now be able to see the accounts that match list A and list B. You will also be able to see accounts that doesn't exist on list A or list B. And then on that part, you can now tell that those are the accounts that unfollowed you. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to know who unfollowed you on Instagram.